Transferring embroidery patterns onto fabric can be tricky, but today I'm sharing an easy and effective DIY method using a home printer. No tracing, no hassle, just a simple technique that gives you clear, precise patterns in minutes. First, start by ironing your fabric to remove any wrinkles. This ensures a smooth surface for accurate printing. Now, align the fabric with an A4-sized paper board to get the correct dimensions. This step is important to make sure it fits perfectly into the printer. Next, lightly press the edges with an iron. This creates a clean, visible cutting line, making it easier to trim the fabric precisely. Now, cut the fabric along the marked edge. Your fabric is now perfectly sized for printing. Here, we have an A4-sized self-adhesive paper. This will help stabilize the fabric and allow it to pass smoothly through the printer. Carefully peel off the backing to expose the adhesive side. Now, place the adhesive side onto the fabric and press gently to avoid any bubbles or wrinkles. This step ensures a smooth printing surface. As you can see, one side is fabric, and the other side is securely attached to the self-adhesive paper. This makes it printer ready. Now, let's load the prepared fabric sheets into the printer, just like regular paper. Open your embroidery pattern file on the computer. Go to the print settings and press the print button. The printer transfers the design onto the fabric effortlessly. No smudging, no misalignment. Just a perfect print every time. Once printed, gently remove the adhesive paper from the fabric. Now, we have a clean, precise embroidery pattern ready for stitching. Secure the printed fabric in an embroidery hoop, and you're all set to start stitching. This method saves time and ensures accurate designs, making embroidery easier and more enjoyable. And that's it. A simple and effective way to transfer embroidery patterns using a home printer. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more embroidery tips. Happy stitching!